Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is the pathogen, an organism that causes disease. By the end of this video, you'll know the 4 types, how they spread, and why each type needs a different approach to treatment. A pathogen is an organism that causes disease. 4 main types: viruses, like HIV and influenza; bacteria, like tuberculosis and salmonella; fungi, like rose black spot and athlete's foot; and protists, like plasmodium, which causes malaria. Each type causes disease in different ways and is fought by the body differently. Three things. 1. 4 pathogen types: viruses, bacteria, fungi, protists. 2. Spread by direct contact, droplets, contaminated water or food, vectors like mosquitoes or shared needles. 3. Different pathogens cause different symptoms and need different treatments. Antibiotics for bacteria, antivirals for viruses. Common slip. Not all microbes are pathogens. Most bacteria are harmless or even beneficial. Gut bacteria are essential for digestion, for example, and viruses aren't really alive in the conventional sense. They need a host cell to reproduce. Quick example: flu, a virus spread by droplets in coughs and sneezes. Tuberculosis, a bacterium, also spread by droplets. Athlete's foot, a fungus spread by direct contact in damp areas. Malaria, a protist spread by mosquitoes' bites. 4 diseases, 4 pathogen types. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.